If you want to get live wallpaper on POCO M8 5G, we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. We can first do the built-in way. So if we go to the Themes app, then over here we're gonna switch to Wallpapers. Next we can use this search over here, and you can use like a phrase or something in order to try to find a wallpaper based on that phrase. So let's say I'm gonna choose something like a space or something. Unfortunately, the search results are not always really that great. Sometimes, in the case of wallpapers, it works pretty decently. But if we go over here to live wallpapers, these results may vary. Actually, sometimes they are not really that great. But let's say we want to apply one of these wallpapers, perhaps this one. As you can see, it is an animated wallpaper. And if I want to use it, I just have to download it first in the upper right corner. And then we need to apply it. We can set it for the lock screen, home screen, or both. So let's set it for both in this case. And as you can see, we have an animated wallpaper. Now, besides that, if you want to find something, I guess, better, maybe, if you are not really satisfied with the Themes app, you can get a third-party app that contains live wallpapers or video wallpapers. So we're gonna go to the Play Store, and over here we can use the search. And for example, one of these apps that have animated wallpapers is the Zedge app. You can just type animated wallpapers and it's gonna work as well, and you will find a bunch of different example apps that provide animated wallpapers, and of course feel free to try any of them. But in this video, I'm gonna use this app over here, and I'm gonna show you how to set this one up and how to set up the video wallpaper with this app. So let's wait for the app to be installed, and then let's open it. Now over here we will have to tap on accept and continue. Let's tap on accept in here. We don't have to agree to notifications. We can close this premium offer. And now in here we can switch to video wallpapers category, and we can start looking for something that you may like. Here we also have many different categories that we can choose, but let's say I'm gonna choose the newest category in order to try to find something nice. And let's say I want to use this video wallpaper in here. So in that case, I can just use this download button, this purple button at the bottom of the screen. And in this case, you have two options. You can either watch an ad and get the animated wallpaper completely for free, well, for watching the ad, or you can use credits, and you actually get 10 credits at the start, so you don't have to watch the ad if you just find your wallpaper straight away. In my case, I'm just gonna watch the ad. And once the ad is over, once you are done with watching it, you should be able to set up the wallpaper. Alright, so the ad is gone. We can tap on set video wallpaper in here. And after a couple of seconds, we should also be able to tap on set wallpaper, and you can choose to set it for the home screen or home screen and lock screen. I'm gonna set up for both. Now we can go to the home screen, and as you can see, we have our animated wallpaper. Keep in mind that animated wallpapers use more battery, so you may notice that you are running out of the battery quicker, essentially. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.